How to turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn incognito mode on or off in YouTube, whether you are using an iPhone, Android or computer. Start by opening the YouTube app. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here at the top of the menu, you'll see different options like switch account, Google account and turn on incognito. So simply tap on the option labeled as turn on incognito, and just like that it's enabled. And now you know that incognito mode is active because a message appears at the bottom confirming it. And talking about turning off incognito mode, whenever you want to turn it off, simply tap on your profile icon again and select turn off incognito. And this will sign you back into your normal account. And YouTube will resume tracking your watch history and recommendation. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.